This is a family-friendly community event that brings us all together and shows the very best of who we are as a town.
Take a turn. Oh, what do you think? Like that? Yeah.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car.
Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car. No, you won't get far. My brand new car.
We realize this community of Doylestown is an amazing place. We are all blessed to be part of this community. And so we want to give back. Our overlying theme, the theme that is over all else in Rotary, is service above self.
Hey, we're going to be on candid camera.
Get on there and crack it for me.
Yeah, there you go.
Hello, I have super food. Except for Mexicans.
We are now going to announce the winners of the Doylestown and Dusk car show.
We're going to start out with our horrendous horsepower award. Now, we went around, there were some incredibly big motors out there, so we couldn't give an award to everybody, but we did give an award to number 17403. It's a 1966 Chevy C10 pickup truck owned by Adrian Moser. Okay, next one is Trick Truck, number 17359. It's a 1954 Ford F100 owned by Dominic Muscello. Next is our spectacular paint job. There were some incredible paint jobs out there. This is an incredibly hard one to judge. So we know you all had some great paint jobs, and we thank you for bringing those cars. Number 18121, it's a 1951 Ford F1 pickup. It is Dave Fritz. I'm going to turn the mic over to Peter Quigley, who is a motorcycle aficionado, and he was the sponsor of our Super Cycle Award, to announce our Super Cycle winner today.
So we had a lot of motorcycles this year, and I'm really pleased to see that. Let's bring some more out here, some really nice old bikes. So this year's award, Eric Metz, your 1978 Motorbacon Mobilette S50VO.
Our next one is Trick Tuner. Now this car that won this award is kind of special. It's number 16162. It is a 2005 Dodge Magnum RT, but it's not just any old Dodge Magnum RT. This car was formerly owned by our founder, Bruce Rutherford, and the winner is Sean McKenzie. And next we have our Long Distance Award. And it's always hard to judge because we don't get out there with a map and mileage and measure everything, but we know these guys came a long way. So from Brooklyn, New York, Irving Cohen. Next is our Ladies' Choice Award. It is number 17420. It's a 1964 Corvette owned by Jim McFadden. Next is our club participation. A club called Wild Stallions. Roy, I'm going to butcher your name because, again, I'm Irish, so I don't know how to say this. Boca de Fuco? Very good. Look at that. Now I'm going to ask our mayor of Doylestown, Noni West, to come forward. She is going to present a car, and we were talking about this earlier, and I said, Noni, pick a car that you really connect with, one that you really like. Doesn't matter if it's the best or the greatest. It's something that you really enjoy. So Noni picked number 18314. It's a 1964 Sunbeam owned by Steve Bob. The next award is our Doylestown Rotary Award. It is awarded to number 17730. It's a 1936 Chevy Coupe stock car. Really cool car. I don't know if you saw it. It was up on Court Street here. Owned by Leroy Ackerman. Well, this last award is really special because when we go out to look for the Best of Show Award, it is called the Bruce Rutherford Best of Show Award. And of course, for you who have not read your program book yet, Bruce was the person who founded this show. He brought it onto the streets of Doylestown. Let's give him a big hand. He passed in December of 2020, but his spirit lives on. He is the wind in the sails of our team as we plan this show. And we renamed this award last year in his honor. So this is the Bruce Rutherford Best of Show Award. It is a 1912 Ford Torpedo owned by Lanolin Winterbottom.
Thank you to everyone again for coming out here tonight. Thank you for all of our absolutely fabulous cars. We would like to give everybody an award. You do have an award by being here. You're all winners. It's been a terrific night. We've enjoyed it. Thank you so much. We'll be doing the same thing again, same place, 1 year from now. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you.